Hello internet, how are you doing today? My name is Brian, if you are new here, and welcome to the event of the year, the event of the channel, the event of a lifetime. It is iPhone unboxing day. I'm just super excited to unbox this phone with you guys this year. This is my 4th year doing it on YouTube, so I have a lot of pressure, I have a lot of people watching and stuff like that, so I am very excited about this. Today is a day I've been waiting for forever. I've been talking to you guys about the iPhone 16 so much, been yapping and yapping about this phone for way too damn long that it's finally here. This bag right here is an icon, is a legend, is the moment. We are going to be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max in black titanium 1 terabyte. Let's just give a round of applause for the box here. Look at this. This is the most beautiful iPhone box I've ever seen. And I do have some friends in the background. I have a bunch of iPhone boxes here in the background. As you can tell, I decided to go with space black this year because pretty much all my Apple products now are space black. And I think the phone is just the next thing that needs to be black. Obviously, I don't have a black Apple Watch. She's next on the chopping block. Can't spend too much money because we don't have enough money. So also I have a pumpkin spice latte for the fall vibes today because girl, I need it. I didn't sleep much last night because I was so freaking excited. I'm just super excited to get this open. Let's get into it. Let's unbox this together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, girl, I don't know. Oh, I'm nervous, I'm sweaty, I'm excited. Let's get this phone open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color so much. Okay, here it is. Here she is in all of its glory and all its beauty. It's just beautiful. I'm so glad I got the black this year. And let's take her out of the box because she is here. Ooh, here it is. Oh wow, let's look at her. The sides are really nice. Like they're extremely nice. Yeah, let's just peel it and we'll lift. Here it is! Here it is! Oh my God, this is so cool. This is so pretty. And yeah, I'm just so excited. But here she is. Here is the phone. It just looks gorgeous. I am so happy with the color. I'm a little bit upset because I thought they were gonna have like the really like shiny sides like the stainless steel iPhones. But these are definitely shiny and I like that a lot. So here it is. It feels bigger, but it doesn't feel that much bigger. They feel exactly the same weight. You can see it's a little tiny bit bigger and a little bit tiny bit wider because going from a 6.7 inch screen to a 6.9 inch screen does seem like it's a huge freaking size difference, but in reality, they're really not that different. So obviously we're going to show you guys more comparison shots later, but I think we need to turn on the phone because the phone is dying to be turned on right now. So let's do that. Today would be nice. There it is, the Apple logo. Turn on, show me the hello. Wow, she's taking forever, girl. There, hello, hi iPhone, wow. So as you can see, those new bezels, they're so skinny, they're so tiny, and here she is, the brand new phone. Oh, there's a new button on the phone, it's the camera control button, but who cares, let's swipe up and get started. Okay, so we do speak English, this is the United States, and oh wow, appearance, so this is new, so it shows you to change the way the look of the iPhone. Usually it doesn't tell you this first, but I think we're just gonna stay with the standard default view. Quick start, so we are gonna be doing quick start this year because I really don't wanna go through the process of logging in every single freaking app. We're just gonna do quick start. So we're gonna bring two phones together and we're going to let them set up. So it says set up new iPhone, continue. So we're gonna let them communicate. So let's do this. They're connecting now. I love typing on this phone already. It's super nice. And here it is. It's setting up the new phone. I love the black. The black is just so pretty. I really freaking think it's gorgeous. Look at this. Like, it looks beautiful with dark mode on. Like, this is definitely the phone to get if you want to use dark mode all the time. And okay, so transfer data from your iPhone. I think we're going to transfer it right from iPhone. So it takes 15 to 20 minutes. There she is. There's the beautiful animation. It looks so good. The screen looks so beautiful. All right, make this your new iPhone. So what it's going to do, we're going to transfer data from another iPhone. Yes. Connect to Apple Watch. Continue. Okay. Yes. Okay. Here. And cards. I love having two phones in my hands. Like, this is so boss. Like, look at this. Camera control. Now it's time to set up my camera control. So click the camera control button to open the camera app. Then click again to use it as a camera shutter. So we're going to hit continue, and now it's transferring data from Brian's iPhone. So this is going to take a little bit. So we are going to take a little break. So while the two phones are in the back communicating, talking, whatever they need to do, I'm gonna show you guys the accessories I got. So I did actually make a TikTok about these accessories. We got two cases for the phone. We got this really cool speaking case that looks like an old iMac, which I think that's super cool. And there's the basic HeXafe Five Below type of case. And then we got a screen protector because we ain't breaking our phone this year. We're not doing that. Okay, wow. All right, that looks gorgeous. This is beautiful. So again, it's got the camera control button right there. As always, you have the USB-C cable right here. That's the USB-C cable. It's in a new container. But if you notice, this is a new packaging, right?
You want to know why it's new packaging?
Because they got rid of the Apple stickers this year. They got rid of the Apple stickers. There's just this, and there's just this telling you how to activate your phone. And when I heard about this, I cried a little bit, honestly. And I'm also just realizing now that since I did pick up the phone in store, I could have asked for an Apple sticker, but I didn't. So it's just my fault now. Alright guys, so it's been about 40 minutes or so. I'm still waiting for this to process through. Fortunately, for some reason, my Wi-Fi has been really weird. And when I started the data transfer, I guess my Wi-Fi was out. So it literally had to transfer all the data through 5G with 1 bar. So that's the look I get on unboxing day. Let's test out the other case that I got. This case, so you're supposed to literally take this off. You slide the phone in like this, and then you put this on like this. It makes the bezels look like nothing in this case. Like, look at that. It's such a cool case. Like, look at that. That looks awesome on the black iPhone. Are you kidding me? This is how the button looks. So if you want to see how that looks. Breaking news, transfer is complete. The phone is off. So that means, there we go. Guys, we're in. It's set up. We're ready to go, and all my apps are downloading right now. So actually what I did last night, I decided to basically reset my home screen layout so I can have kind of the new iPhone feel, but without logging into literally a billion passwords on my new phone. So that's what I think you guys should do if you don't want to start up your phone completely fresh, but you want to have a new fresh feel. So definitely do that. Here it is, my iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you could. Let's compare the 15 to the 16. So as you can see, the 16 is a little tiny bit taller, and the screen bezels, of course, are super thin. It's not a big noticeable difference. If you only bring it side to side is where you notice it, but it is definitely noticeable. However, when viewing content, you'll notice that you see a lot more content on the 16 screen versus the 15 screen. As you can see right here, you actually do get a lot more content, which is quite cool. Also over here, you can see you get a lot more content, which I find that to be very, very cool. On Instagram and on Threads and even on TikTok, you see a lot more content. So this is just kind of a comparison between the 16 and the 15. Alright, so I think the first thing we need to do is we need to test out that new camera. So we are going to go right here and hit the camera, and it tells us immediately photographic styles. So we're going to set up our photographic styles. We're going to try it now. And then right here, okay, wow, so here is how this looks. There's this new layout right here. As you can see, there's a new layout of how the photographic styles works. And you can kind of like adjust like the standard to different shades, which is really cool. I can then switch over to vibrant and adjust the shades to that. But we want to try out that new camera control button. So the camera control is right here. We're going to press and hold, and we launch the camera. So there it is. So if we do want to say zoom into this, I can literally zoom. So you have to press and hold on it a little bit to get really close in. Okay, you double press, and then you can switch to different modes. So double press, I can go into styles, go into my tone, and I can adjust the tone right here. So this is pretty cool. I definitely have to get used to this new thing. That new camera control button is definitely cool. Like I said, I have to definitely get used to it because this is a completely different way to, of course, take photos with your iPhone. That was one of the new features of the phone. And yeah, so here it is. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max completely unboxed. Woohoo! We finally made it. All right, guys, that is it for my iPhone 16 Pro Max unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really does mean a lot to me. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below and subscribe and click the notification bell to get notifications on whenever I upload a video next. My next video on this channel will be my beloved What's on my iPhone 16 Pro Max video. Be sure to look out for that. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up or a like if you liked it. And also be sure to comment down below if you guys got an iPhone 16, if you're excited about the iPhone 16, or if you got another phone you're really excited about. Or just tell me about your current phone that you have right now. Leave it all down in the comment section down below. You can also follow me on all the social medias. Links are going to be down in the description down below and also right here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to start playing with my phone and getting this going and getting this all set up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye!